Access the Leader Within. It's a course for people who are looking to develop their leadership. This is a course for people who are looking to grow professionally. And this is a course for people who know that in order to grow in their leadership, in order to grow professionally, they gotta discover the tools to support them in communicating effectively those things that they care about. Leadership is at the heart of the growth of any individual and any organization, and at the heart of leadership is effective communication. Not only how to communicate my ideas, but also how to help others communicate those things that they're committed to and what they care about. Most people have a vague idea on how to lead themselves and have no clue how to lead others effectively. Access the Leader Within will leave you with the tools and will give you access for you to have power to be yourself in any environment and communicate effectively those things that you care about.
And it's great. Many of the gaps, many of those questions that I was looking for, now I have the answer, which I'm gonna be able to apply to my business, to my professional life.
Before the course, I was taught that money is the root of all evil, and now that I have taken this course, I have a liberated idea of what money is, what it means to me and my family, and how it's a partner in life and not the evil that I was taught when I was growing up.
And my confidence, my understanding of how I communicate to people is completely different. And it's really all thanks to Giovanni and his course. It's absolutely fantastic.